Hi Tana, this is Dr. Reese. I'm going to try and edit the photos that you have. I'm not sure if I'll be able to do it, but it's worth a try. So, sorry, my mixer's giving me problems. Alright, I'm just going to go in and edit your post. Scroll down to where you have the pictures. I'm going to right click on it, see if it'll let me edit it. I'm going to go to Image Properties. And it looks like you don't have the actual URL here. You just have the name of it. So it is the file name, but you don't have where it lives on the web. So I actually opened your figure in preparation for this. So I'm going to go change tabs. I don't know if you can see my tab. I'll move the screen up. There you go. So this is the tab with figure 1 or figure 5. Actually, I need to figure out which one each of those are. And this is figure 4. Alright, so I'm just going to go, I clicked in the bar up there, you saw the blue highlight came on. You could also Control A to highlight it all. Go to Control C to copy it over. Go back to our classroom tab. Clear out what was in that box and paste it in. And so now it still says .png, which is a type of image file. At the beginning here, you see all of this is the web address. See how it starts with HTTPS? So that's what is the URL. You want to start with that information. The alternative text can be mangroves. You could edit this for whatever you'd like it to say. This is a really big width, but not too big of a height, but I'll just go ahead and make it 300. And then you have the caption there too. And I'll say OK. And then the image comes right up. And then you can edit this when you edit your post. Alright, so you'd want to do the same thing for these other two down here. I saw them at the bottom. Go on this button here. I right clicked it. The box comes up. You go to Image Properties. And actually you have the information from the last one here. It says figure 4, which is not what you want. I think you want to put figure 1 in there. So this was, I think, figure 1. If I got it wrong, you can always switch them out for me. I'm gonna, well, it says figure 1 right up here in the text bar. Figure1.html GIF. I'm just going to copy that. Control C. Go ahead and paste that in the box. You can see it says .gif down there at the end, and if I go to the front of it, it's the HTTPS. You want that whole thing in there. For the alternative text, I'm just going to put figure 1. Again, you can edit that. To be consistent, I'll put 300. Of course, you're welcome to change them up as you see fit. And this one does not say captioned image. If you wanted it to be captioned, you could do that. And you could put in that text for figure 1, or you could leave it as it is. Totally your choice and sort of stylistic there for you. So I'll say OK, and you can see that the picture comes up. So I think what you're missing is just that HTTP at the beginning of it. And then you could edit figure 5 the same way. If you click on that link that you had at the bottom for the attachment, it already is in your folder. So let me go ahead and say post edited messages. I'll show you how I pulled up the web pages with those pictures. Alright, when you edit it, you can delete this row up at the top. You can take out that I edited your post, but there you can see figure for the mangroves and the column chart. You can figure 5 needs to be edited. The way I pulled them up was I just basically clicked on these and it pulls up the web page, and you can see this is the web address for that. So hopefully you'll be able to do it. Like I said, I'm a visual learner. Very helpful for me personally to have these in there. I know not everyone is that way, so you know, try and work it out. It's not that hard once you get the hang of it, but there are a couple of critical steps in there that you have to get to. So, alright, there you go. Thanks, Donna.